If you like oysters, then this video is for you. Ingredients are going to be listed down below. Now first, we're going to start with some heavy cream. We're going to add that to the pot. Some white cooking wine. We're going to start to let that simmer. We're going to add some butter to that. We're then going to add our garlic, some Tony Saturins, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Bring that to a nice boil. We then have our seasoned oysters. Go ahead and season those. Don't forget to wash your oysters. We then take that spinach, the crab, the cream sauce that we made, the white sharp cheddar. We also got some Parmesan cheese that we added to it. We then added the panko season on top, some fresh parsley chopped. We're gonna then put that in the oven for 350, then broil it. You can hit it with some lime and